Hey there, fellow Google Docs users. If you're frustrated with that persistent top margin that's throwing off your document's layout, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove the top margin in Google Docs for 2025. Whether you're working on a resume, a report, or just a simple note, getting rid of that extra space can make your document look clean and professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Google Docs and select the document you want to edit. If you don't have one ready, go ahead and create a new one. It's super straightforward. Once your document is open, head over to the top menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Page Setup. This is where the magic happens. In the Page Setup dialog box, you'll see options for margins, paper size, and orientation. Look for the Margins section, where you'll find fields for top, bottom, left, and right. By default, the top margin might be set to something like 1 inch. Simply click into the top field and change it to 0 or whatever value you prefer. Remember, a 0 margin will remove it entirely, but make sure it fits your needs. After you've adjusted the top margin, you can choose whether to apply these changes to the whole document or just specific pages using the Apply to drop-down. Once you're happy with your settings, hit the OK button. Voila! Your top margin should now be gone. Go ahead and scroll through your document to double-check. One quick tip. If the changes don't seem to stick, try saving your document or refreshing the page. Also, keep in mind that some templates or shared documents might override your settings, so you may need to adjust those separately. There you have it. That's all it takes to banish that top margin for good in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy document editing.